Hi there! Welcome to our VIVE education series for VIVE XR Elite. In this video, we're going to show you what's included with VIVE XR Elite and how to charge the controllers, assemble the headset, and more. Let's get started.
Here's what you'll find inside the box. The VIVE XR Elite headset, 2 controllers, a battery cradle, a head strap, a quick start guide, a microfiber pouch, 2 USB-C to USB-A cables, 1 USB-C to USB-C cable. To charge the controllers, connect them to a power source using the USB-C to USB-A cables that came in the box. VIVE XR Elite can be used with or without the battery cradle. First, let's learn how to assemble the battery cradle and put on the headset. Remove the temples from the headset by pressing the release button on the inside of each temple. Attach the battery cradle. Make sure it's fully inserted into the temple slots on the headset. Then, connect the battery cradle's extended USB-C cable to the headset's extended USB-C power port. To charge the battery, connect it to a power source using the USB-C to USB-C cable that came in the box. For faster charging, use a power source that supports USB power delivery and can supply 30 watts of power. When you're ready to put on the headset, turn the adjustment dial counterclockwise until the battery cradle is fully extended. Place the visor over your eyes and then pull the battery cradle over your head. Turn the adjustment dial clockwise until the battery cradle fits comfortably against the back of your head. To use the headset without the battery cradle, connect the headset to a power source such as a power bank. For the best results, use a power source that supports USB power delivery and can supply 30 watts of power. Connect the power source to the headset's extended USB-C power port using a USB cable. Then press the USB cable into the cable notch to hold it in place. When you connect the headset to the battery cradle or an external power source, it will turn on automatically. The front LED will light up when the headset turns on. If you want to distribute the weight of the headset more evenly, you can attach the head strap. Here's how. First, pull both sliders toward the middle of the head strap to lengthen it. Remove the temples or battery cradle, and then attach each end of the head strap to the headset. Then reattach the temples or battery cradle. If the battery cradle is attached to the headset, place the strap on top of your head and then tighten it. If the temples are attached to the headset, wrap the strap around the back of your head and then tighten it. Now you have everything you need to get started with your VIVE XR Elite. New adventures in mixed reality await you.
Hi again, thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about VIVE XR Elite or other VIVE products, make sure to check out the other videos in this channel. See you next time.